What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be reviewing two cases from Tudia for the Moto G6 Play. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first case right here is called the Arch S case. Let's go ahead and unpack it. As you guys see right here, this is a very nice and simple case. Let's go ahead and put it on the Moto G6 Play. First and foremost, I really love the raise button right here. Very clicky and tactile for the volume up and down button, as well as the power button. All the cutouts are perfect on this, perfectly cut out for the one fingerprint sensor and to the camera right here. Also, if we take a look at the bottom, we have a cut open for the micro USB as well as the microphone. Taking a look at the top of the phone, we do have a cutout for the headphone jack, and we have one for the other noise canceling mic. Also, if we take a look at the back of the phone, we have this basically a fingerprint rest right here, where basically you can go in smoothly, unlock your phone just like that, and it's very comfortable in the hand. Honestly, this is one of my favorite cases yet. Another thing that I absolutely love about this case is that it does have a raised edge, so we are going to have the drop protection for the camera, so the camera will not crack. As you guys know, if we do take off the case right here, the camera is protruding, so that is going to be the first thing that happens if you drop this phone. You know, the camera is probably going to crack, but if we put on this case, it's blocking the camera from cracking, so therefore if you drop it, you know, the camera won't break. So definitely a very awesome feature. Also, another awesome thing we see on the side is grip protection, so we can go ahead and grip this and it's not going to fall out of our hands. I know many other TPU cases are very slippery, but we are offered grip support right here. Also, we have some Tudia branding right there, but really nice and very comfortable in the hand. Another feature that is very awesome is called shot gap. Now we are offered this on all four corners of the phone, as you see right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically you can drop your phone without the screen cracking. Otherwise, if you did not have a case on here with shock gap right here, if you just had a regular TPU case, then this phone would probably crack. But yeah, really awesome to see that in there. And if you guys do want to go ahead and pick up this case, it is only $8.95. Use the link in the description down below, as it does help the channel. But a very simple case and very affordable. Alright guys, so the next case we have right here is the Tudia Merge case that I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. And this does offer a little bit more protection than the Arch S case right here. As you guys see, we have a harder back and harder shell in general, and this is going to cost you a little bit more. It's going to cost you $10.90, so still a very affordable case. Does come in many other colors, such as black, you know, metallic color. I believe it comes in even teal, which is my favorite color. But as you see right here, we have this rose gold color. Still looks super nice, honestly. I do love the color rose gold. As you guys see, I'm going to go ahead and pop the phone inside of this case. First and foremost, we still have those clicky buttons. In a lot of cases that I see for, you know, the Moto G6 Play and other budget phones, they do not have clicky and tactile buttons on the side of the phone. And I really love this, honestly. This is one of the best features I like about Tudia cases, is that they have raised buttons and they're just tactile and clicky, and honestly, they're just really addicting to press, and they feel super sturdy. Another awesome thing about this case is that you can see the case does go over the phone. So if you drop this on the front of your phone, so you drop it on the screen, your phone is going to have a really hard time cracking, because we have a huge lip surrounding the whole front of the screen, and you are offered a lot more protection. Another thing we see on the side is definitely grip protection, like we saw on the other phone. We see these little ridges right here, which are pretty nice to see, and yeah, definitely really comfortable in the hand, and I wouldn't see this falling if I was just holding it regularly, honestly. The other thing is we have this nice shell around here. Obviously, you guys saw the rose gold, but this is a harder plastic case, so this is going to offer more protection. The other thing is we are offered more of a fingerprint rest, which I absolutely love about Tudia cases, is that you can just go ahead and rest your finger right there, slip it in, and unlock, and boom, your phone's unlocked. Just really simple and really nice, and super comfortable. But yeah, I told you guys again and again that Tudia cases are absolutely awesome. So if you guys really want a cheap, affordable, and stylish case, definitely go in the description down below and go ahead and pick one of these up, especially if you have the G6 Play, because it is a small investment to keep your even more valuable investment safe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.